Hi guys, welcome back to your channel Technical Sahil. In this 25th video of this playlist, we are going to work on that one thing which we left as while designing our website in the last video, and that is customizing our website's navigation bar. Although the default navigation menu provided by WHMCS are not that bad, inside the store, all of our categories and options are covered. But you might remember my words from last video where I mentioned that we should not just create our website haphazardly. We need to customize each and every element professionally so that it looks genuinely looks elegant and visitor feels like they are dealing with the web hosting company, regardless of whether you're working alone from home or operating from an office with a team on a large scale. Whether you are unregistered or registered company, it should look like you are a competitors to giants web hosting providers like GoDaddy, hosting a Namecheap, etc. Through your website. And this default WHMCS menu will give away your visitors build website's build strategy, revealing that it's based on WHMCS. And if you code this, first of all, you should know PHP, and that too proficiently. Secondly, you need to be familiar with WHMCS multi-engine because you will need to create custom programming hooks WHMCS on WHMCS. But there's no need to go through all these hassle because I'm going to make this task considerably easier for you in this video. That too without any investment. And for this we'll again have to visit the same website. First you will have to create a free account here, then navigate to the support section and click on downloads, and then click on WHMCS add-ons. From there you should download the uh, this one menu manager module. It's absolutely free to download. You just have to click once and it will start downloading again, just like this. It will start downloading just like this. I have already downloaded it, so let me extract this zip file. Now if we open, I think there was no need to extract this zip file, but anyways, as we have extracted, now we need to log into our cPanel. Public underscore HTML modules add-ons. Here we need to upload our same zip file which we have downloaded from this website. So select file, desktop, menu manager. The file has been uploaded. Now we need to reload once, and now we need to extract here. Yes, the file has been extracted. Now we can simply delete this zip file and log into our WHMCS admin panel. And we need to visit system settings. From here, go for add-on modules and find the same module, advanced menu manager. Click activate and then click configure and check this full administrator and click save changes. Now from here, find this advanced menu manager and click here. Click this create new group. Enter your group name like primary Navbar. Uh, Remain this option as it is default custom template. Select here install WHMCS primary navbar and check this primary navbar and click add group. Now click manage menu items. From here you can manage like this is for index PHP and this home is for client area, means if someone has already logged into his account then the home is different, and the store is same. You can see the yellow is thing like displayed on visitors only, displayed for clients only, displayed for all. I think the red means display nothing. Like if we try to hide this network section and network status, click edit and enable for visitors only. Check always disabled, click always disabled and save and close. Right now we have network status, but if we refresh, the network status from here is gone, and if you see the color, it's red. That means always disabled, neither show to visitors nor to the clients. Now in the store, we want to separate domains and hosting because it's separate. It's not be included in the one thing store. So first of all, we want to hide this. Click this store, always enabled, select always disabled and save changes. Now click on this new item, no parent, domains, enable for visitors only, and order, and click save and close. Now again click this new menu item, parent this time domains, register a new domain, new domain enabled for visitors only, and domain checker. Let me give this custom URL store. Right now we have not refreshed, that's why it has showing us. Paste the URL here, save and close. Again click this new menu item, parent section domain, uh, transfer domain to us. I think I have by mistaken uh, pressed the wrong key. Delete this thing and let me do it again. New menu item, parent domain, transfer domain to us, enabled for visitor only, custom URL, and transfer us. Copy this link and paste and save and close. Now it's showing at the last. If we want to place it above, we simply need to click and drag where we want to place. Like we want to place next to the home, 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 and here. Now store is hidden, so no need to worry at all. Domains, now we need to create one another for hosting. I have not shown you right here now because we need these links. If we have hidden that store, if we refresh, then the store will be gone, and we were unable to copy these links. That's why I have not refreshed this window. Let me create one more for hosting, no parent, enabled for visitors only, order, and save and close. Now, new menu item, hosting, uh, shared hosting, enabled for visitor, custom URL 1 2 3 4 5 6 7. Copy link address, save and close. Now let me show you by refreshing it. If we refresh, you can see here's the domain. Register a new domain. If we click here, we can register a new domain, and hosting is at last, means we have not dragged it. So let me drag it first next to the domains. And if we refresh, it's next to the domain which is hosting, and if we click shared hosting, then you can see similarly the group ID for hosting was 1. Similarly, you can add more items and like copy the same link, the 2 for cloud hosting in my case. Similarly, you can mention your all links according to your preferences, and that's how you can set up and customize your navigation bar. So use this module instead of writing a custom code. You can achieve it through custom code, but it is difficult as compared to using the simple module. It will be done under some minutes. So use this module. It's free and it's easy, and it makes easy for you. So that's all for this video, and thank you for watching.